Hi, today I'm reviewing the Purito Snail Repair Advanced Serum. And really quick, I just want to say I purchase all these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsored ads or videos. So if you want to help support the channel, check out don'tbsbeauty.com. Check out my Patreon community or click on the Amazon link below. Okay, so I've been working on my review for this, and a longtime subscriber and friend, Carrie, mentioned to me the other day she was trying this out and how much she liked it. I said, wow, that's weird. I just wrote my review for that. So anyway, I think a lot of times we're on the same wavelength. So anyway, finally getting to review this one. So Purito calls this a high quality snail mucus filtrate of up to 93%, provides excellent efficacy even in a small amount, contains none of the 10 harmful ingredients in cosmetics. The product contains highly concentrated 93% snail mucus filtrate with hyaluronic acid for rich nutrition and deep moisturization, even in one application. And it contains pennywort extract to help relieve skin troubles and scars. Pennywort extract is another name for Centella Asiatica, which I learned that pretty fast. Although I haven't seen it ever called pennywort. Maybe just in a few K-beauty products. Anyway. So, it catches moisture, keeps the skin, keep moisture from evaporating, and also has benefits in wrinkle care. Okay, so my first criteria is packaging. I really like Purito's packaging. Simple, easy to find, pump bottle. That's it. I like it. Instead of using a dropper bottle. It's very easy, compact, and it's opaque, so that's great. So no issues with that. In terms of denatured or drying types of alcohol, this does not contain any of those, so that's also a very good thing. And then fragrance, this has no fragrance ingredients and no real noticeable scent, which is, I think, Purito's strong suit. They've really been doing a good job updating products that people love and making unscented versions for them. They've done that with several of their products. And some of their newer stuff just doesn't have any fragrance at all. So I'm really liking the direction they're going. They're close to joining Isntree status with me, because Isntree is probably my favorite K-beauty brand. Well, Claire's is up there too, so I don't know. Whatever. I've got a lot I like. Okay, the manufacturing location for this one is Korea, so no issues with that. Ease of use. So, snail products have a tendency to be sticky or gooey, and typically I find I like most of them in my evening routine. However, this one kind of sets a bit quicker than most other snail products, and it's a little bit less gooey than a lot of other snail products I've used. So I've been using this one on my neck in my morning routine, and then all over my face and neck in my evening routine, and I love it. I like the fact that it's not quite as gooey, so I know some people are turned off from the gooiness of snail products just because of a personal preference. This one isn't as gooey. The Cosrx, here's their Snail Essence, which is a bit more gooey. And this one I found in the winter it can work in my morning routine, but in the summer it's too oily, or not too oily, too greasy. But you can see on one hand the Purito dried a bit faster, and the Cosrx takes a bit longer to soak in. But overall, these two products are kind of similar. So I just wanted to mention that. So I use this mostly in my evening routine after cleansing, toning. I'll use my serum, my treatment, whether I'm using retinol or an exfoliant. And then right before my last step, I'll apply this, let soak in for a minute, and then apply my last step, which has been either lately the Drunk Elephant F-Balm or the Claire's Midnight Blue Calming Cream, or sometimes I'll apply this and then layer the Elf Balm over it and then the Midnight Blue Calming Cream over it. It plays well with everything. I've not had any pilling issues with it, so very easy to use. Yeah, so I think next winter I'll probably be relying on this one quite a bit. So you can see it's pretty much fully soaked in, has a nice natural finish, whereas the Cosrx is still a bit gooey. So, very easy to use, no other issues. So, in terms of antioxidants and beneficial ingredients, so we've got 93% snail mucin, which in my opinion, it's one of the few miracle ingredients that really exists. you'll see products that claim to be miracle products with the current hip-hop product ingredient of the minute. There's always a hip ingredient, hyaluronic acid, or what else has been hip lately? CBD. But snail mucin, in my opinion, is one of the true miracle ingredients that exist. And I think it will continue to be forever. Unless there's a new one. I'm sure there'll be a new one next year. But anyway, so snail mucin is a great source of proteins, copper peptides, antimicrobial peptides, hyaluronic acid, and glycolic acid, which if you look at that list, it's got some exfoliating properties, some hydration properties, and some anti-aging properties, and some ingredients that can help with the skin barrier as well, which is why, in my opinion, it's one of the true miracle ingredients. It helps with breakouts, it helps with anti-aging, it helps with pigmentation issues, and it helps with hydration. I mean, that's like the foursome miracle list circle or something, whatever. So it helps with anti-aging, skin brightening, acne prevention, acne healing, fine lines, wrinkles, exfoliation, skin firmness, and much more. It's an awesome ingredient. Then we've got Madecassoside, which is an active component of Centella Asiatica, which is a great antioxidant with skin soothing benefits. Then we've got Centella Asiatica leaf extract, good for skin soothing, calming, anti-inflammatory. Asiaticoside, one of the also biologically active components of Centella Asiatica, which has the wound healing and antioxidant activities. Okay, and then Hydrolysed hyaluronic acid, more Centella Asiatica, and Panthenol. So overall, it's a pretty impressive ingredient list while still not being super long. It doesn't include a ton of slip ingredients and things like that. Everything that's in here is in there for a reason and has a direct benefit to the skin. So that's why I love a lot of Purito products. Okay, in terms of animal testing, this is cruelty-free, so no issues with that. Performance, I love it. I mean, it leaves my skin feeling more hydrated, more firm. Has helped with exfoliation, helps prevent and clear up breakups. Also has helped with dark spots if that's an issue. I think the glycolic acid and the snail mucin really helps with a lot of those things. Yeah, so this one's a great one. I love it. And one other thing I love, there's no ingredients of major concern for acne-prone skin, which you don't see in a lot of products, but this one makes a very good exception. So the price, this is 2 ounces or 60 milliliters, and it retails for about $18. However, if you shop around, you can generally get it for $9 or $10, making it super affordable and definitely worth checking out. Then in terms of the it factor, I love it. Wonderful serum. So many different skin issues it can help with. So if you have one skin issue or you've got a lot of skin issues, I think introducing a snail product similar to this or this one will help for so many different reasons. I love it. No fragrance, no alcohol, well packaged. No acneogenic ingredients, affordable, cruelty-free. I love it. So this is definitely one of my favorite Purito products of all time, I will say. And I don't say that lightly. Okay, so out of 10 being a perfect score, this one got a 10, which doesn't happen often. I want the fireworks to go off. Boom, boom, boom. Anyway, love it. So interested in hearing from you guys if you've had a chance to try it, what your thoughts are. So leave a comment. I love hearing from you, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much.